Dynamic whole body warm up. Start with kettlebell up, one foot in front of the other, twisting at your wrist. Feel the stretch all the way up your arm, your elbows, and your shoulder. Now switch on the other side. Same thing. You can lean forward slightly even to really help with that stretch. The stretch should be felt all the way up to your shoulder. Full rotation at your wrist. Alright, now going to some body weight squats. Crisscross your hands at your shoulder. Squat as low as you can. Keep the weight in your heels, abs engaged, upper body back. No pause at the top, right back down into your next rep. Then on to some body weight lunges. Step your leg forward, one foot in front of the other, bending your knees at 90 degrees. Go down so that your back knee almost touches the ground while keeping your body vertical. Press your front foot off the ground as you come back to the starting position. Now onto some walkouts. Walk your hands out to a push-up position, walk your hands up, and stand up straight. If you want to, you can add a push-up here in the bottom of the walkout position. So walk your hands out, straight line, top of your head all the way down to your heels, and then walk your hands back up. Now grab your kettlebell and do some weighted kettlebell squats. Similar to bodyweight squats, now you're under weighted conditions, keeping weight in your heels, abs engaged, and upper body back. Now on to some kettlebell swings. Hip hinge, kick your hip backwards, squeeze your glutes, and swing the kettlebell up to chest height, then right back down into your next swing, using momentum as you go. Now to warm up your upper body, do some kettlebell up and overs. So it's a press straight up above your head, bring the kettlebell behind you so the handle almost touches your upper back or lightly touches. Your arms are going straight, and then bring the kettlebell down to your chest. Repeat that movement. Now we're going to do that one more time. Back to your squats. Go a little deeper this time as you can as your legs get warmed up. After you're done a few squats, go back to kettlebell swings. Make sure that you're really exploding out of your hips. It's almost like a jumping movement, but your feet aren't leaving the ground. So hip hinge. Kick your hip back, and then hip goes straight, squeezing your glutes, and arms out straight in front of you. Then finish off with your upper body dynamic warm-up. Kettlebell up and overs. Press. Kettlebell goes behind your head, then straight, then bringing the kettlebell back down to the starting position and right back into your next rep. Now you're ready to work out.